Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to make money with Clickbank for free. That's right, Clickbank affiliate marketing, promoting other people's product and making anywhere from $200 to $600 daily in commissions using a free traffic source that's getting over 10 million visitors every single month from tier 1 countries. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time on my YouTube channel, then make sure you smash that subscribe button. The subscribe button should be anywhere on this page below this video. Click on that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. Also, give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. Share this video with your loved ones. It will be appreciated. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment. It will be appreciated. And if you want to learn more ways on how I make multiple six figures online and how I am crushing it online with this brand new money system that's taking the internet by storm, then check the links out in the description box below this video. So let's dive into this video: how to make money with Clickbank for free, and how to go from $0 to $200 and even make $500 and $600 in daily commissions for free using free traffic source. So what do you have to do? Step one, you need to go to clickbank.com. Clickbank is a free marketplace. You just register for a free account, go there and go to the Clickbank marketplace. Now, a lot of people, they say that their country is not allowed, they're not allowed to create an account. Then you could go for an alternative like digistore24.com, or you could go for warriorplus.com. There are so many affiliate platforms out there that you can register and start creating an account and start making money. Okay, so I'm in Clickbank dashboard and I'm on the Clickbank marketplace, and you can see here there are so many products down here. So what we're going to do, we're going to choose a product. So we're going to come here and we're going to choose one of the products down here. You can see on the right hand side, this is the amount of commission that I will be paid every time someone buys this product. Okay, so I'm going to find a product that's going to pay me some good amount of money and has a good high gravity. So I can see this product is all about online writing jobs. It's got a gravity score of 128.59 and it's going to pay me $88.43. It's quite a good amount of money. All right, so I'm liking this so far, but I don't want to promote this product because it's something to do with online jobs. I want something that's related to affiliate marketing. So let's just keep scrolling and let's see if we could find something that's going to be related to affiliate marketing. So this is something looking good. Even the gravity score is quite low, but doesn't matter. Let's just check this out. So let me just click on this and let me see the sales page, and let's see what this is all about. All right, new $100,000 bills. Okay, not this free presentation. Okay, all right, it's not looking bad, but let's just say we want to promote this product. Okay, it's something to do with making money online. Let's see if I could find something else. Okay, this is another program. Okay, if I just click on this, does he have a sales page? I know this guy, and I can remember promoting his product. How to make $3,493 commissions without doing any selling. Okay, all right, so this is looking good. So we're just going to promote this product. It's a high ticket product that pays you anyway about $308 a pop. Okay, so let's go with this product. So what you do is, once you have got your product, what you want to do, you want to click on the promote button. Okay, you want to scroll down. All right, and that's a problem here with Clickbank, that they just open it up, so you just might have to zoom in a bit. All right, and you're going to put your affiliate nickname here. You're just going to go here, and if you scroll down and you just want to click on create hop link, and there you go. This is your hop link. This is where you're going to be driving traffic. You're going to be driving people to this link here. Okay, and every time someone makes a purchase, guess what? You make a commission, and you don't even need to do any accounting or any calculation. That commission comes directly from Clickbank straight into your bank account. That's how simple it is. So now what we're going to do is, we got this product. Now what we're going to do, we're going to write a small mini article, or an article about 300 to 500 words, and you could go to a website called Open Chat GPT. You could go to ChatGPT and you could just type in, write an article on make money online, and there you go. ChatGPT is going to get to work and it's going to come up with a very good fresh article for you. Okay, you can just copy this. We're going to take this article and we're going to go and paste it. So basically you're making money by copying and pasting, and I'm going to show you the free traffic source, a traffic source that's getting 10 million unique visitors every single month from tier 1 countries. Tier 1 country means English speaking countries: UK, US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. These are the countries that you're going to get all your traffic from, and you can build a massive community on this traffic network and start building your community and start getting huge amounts of traffic. Okay, so simple. Now if you're getting a lot of value from this video, then if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then make sure you do that by clicking the subscribe button. It should be anywhere on this page below this video. On the side you should see a button that says subscribe. Just click on that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, share this video with your with the people you care so they can get value, and if you have questions, just leave a comment for me. It will be appreciated. Okay, so here's the article. All right, so I've got this article. I could just copy this entire article, and there's another way to get this done as well, is by going to google.com, typing in how to make money online articles, and there are going to be plenty of websites coming up. You just have to go there, copy one of the articles, but you don't want to just copy and paste that article, because you will get in trouble. That is wrong, that you'll get a copyright strike. So you don't want to do that. Your account will get suspended, and also your article and your post will be removed. So you don't want to do that. What you want to do is, if you do copy someone else's article, then you want to rephrase it. Okay, so basically you want to go there and spin the whole article. First of all, you want to rewrite the whole article in your own words. That's the best way to do it manually. But if you can't do that, then you can go to a website. You could go to these software and tools, and they will spin the whole article for you and rewrite the whole article for you. So basically, just say if I had this article, just say I wanted this part here. It's just I'm just going to give you an example down here. Just say I wanted to copy. In this case, I've got a unique article down here, but just say I'll copy this article. I'm just going to go to a website called Spinbot. Okay, and what this is going to do is, this is going to spin the whole article and rephrase it for me. So I'm just going to go to basic spin, and there you go. It's going to get to work and it spin the whole article for me. So you can see down here the text length is 233, the text length after is 244, and now this has become completely unique, and now I could use this to paste it on any website, any article, and I will not get in trouble. So you can do the best way to do it is just rewrite it yourself. But if you can't rewrite it yourself, then you can use a tool like Spinbot. Come here and spin the whole article, so it will rephrase the whole article and make it unique for the webs and for the search engine, so you don't get in trouble. Okay, very important. But in my case, because I've just got an article from ChatGPT, and ChatGPT produced me a fresh article which is not copyright, and I haven't excuse me, and I haven't copied this article from other people's website. So in this case, I have no problems. I could just copy this exact article, copy and paste it onto the website. Okay, so let's dive into the website. Which website is this? That's free traffic, and you can build a community and you can start getting traffic so fast, so quickly, and you can also start making commissions. The website is called gab.com. Gab is a social media platform that you can come and you can build your group and build your community to start making thousands and thousands of dollars in commissions every single day. You could even promote your own product. You could even sell your own product. You could also promote other affiliate marketplaces like Digistore 24. You could do Warrior Plus. You could do so much with this social media platform. So what you want to do is, first of all, you want to go to gab.com and you want to register for a free account. It's absolutely free. You want to sign up for a free account, and once you have sign up for a free account, you're going to get an email address for a confirmation to verify your email address. You want to verify your email address. Once you have verified your email address, what you want to do is you want to go to groups. Okay, and when you go to groups, you want to come here and type in some groups. So you could come here and just say I want to type in weight loss, and you could see here that people have some group, people have a lot of groups. And look at this person's got 4,000 members. All right, 35 members. We could scroll down. These are people who have groups and they have some amount of members down here. Okay, so you could see here, you could come here, and some people are going to have a lot of members, some people are going to have less members. If you come here and you go and you type in inspiration, All right, inspiration. You can see this 2000, 2000 members, 1000 members. Okay, and you could type in something like let's just say sports, right? And you can see, look at this person is got 30,000 members, 3,000 members, 800 members. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to create a group for yourself related to the niche that you're interested in. It could be sports, it could be make money online, it could be working from home, it could be weight loss. And what you're going to do is you're going to create that group, and then you're going to invite people to join your group. And that's how you're going to start building yourself. When you have a group and you have people in your group, like 1,000, 2,000 people, you could just create a quick post it into your group, and you could promote different opportunities and different affiliate links into your group and telling people to join. And this is how you're going to make commission using free traffic. Okay, now remember, when it comes to free traffic, you need to understand that free traffic is not going to bring you results from day one. It's something that you need to build step by step. Persistent is the key to success. So you need to do this every single day, constantly, by building your community and taking some time out to do things, because with free traffic, it's not instant traffic. It's something that you need to keep on doing on a daily basis. Okay, when it comes to paid traffic, you pay someone, you get traffic instantly, and there you go, you start making money. But with free traffic, it takes time. Okay, so don't expect to start seeing results from day one or week one or month one. It's something that you will have to do on a constant basis. Build this community, build your group, start inviting people to join your group. And the bigger group you have, the more potentially the more money you can make by getting a lot of traffic, because you have all. And plus, these people who are going to join your group are going to be targeted people, because if you're just say your niche is weight loss, so your group is going to be all related to losing weight. So the people who are going to come and join your group are going to be those people who is interested in relation to weight loss. So these are targeted people. So when you post any offer that's related to losing weight, then most likely people are going to click and they're going to buy your product. So how do you create your group? Okay, so you go to groups. All right, and then can you see here, it says here the plus sign, create new group, and there you go. You just want to have a cover image here, you want to put in a title here. Okay, and you just want to or give all the information down here. And then once you do that, all the description, all the information down here, and you're going to have your group down here. And once you have your group down here, then you just want to have start inviting people, just the same way people invite people to follow people on Instagram, TikTok, and other social media platforms. That's the same method you can use to invite people to join your community and your group on this social media platform, Gab, that is getting over 10 million unique visitors from English speaking countries every single month. Okay, so this is how you get free traffic, and you could build a massive community doing this, and you could start getting thousands and thousands and thousands of visitors and thousands of clicks on a monthly basis, by being persistent in posting related articles to your niche. Okay, now if you want to learn how I am making multiple six figures online with ecosystem, all right, promoting one product and getting paid from multiple income streams at the same time, then click the link in the description box below this video, and I'm going to share a training video that's going to show you this $300,000 a month commission system that's changing lives and taking the internet by storm. Okay, this is from my mentor, Mr. X, who is responsible, who is one of the main man to change my life. Okay, I struggled for so many months and years to make a $10,000 per month income. Basically, I was struggling every month after month after month after month on the internet, and I couldn't get to nowhere. I just, I went to seminars, I watched the webinars, I invested thousands and thousands of dollars on products and services and systems. I just couldn't get anywhere until I found this person, this one person into my life. I started to follow him. I started to take his advice, and everything changed for me. Since then, I've never looked back. Okay, so this one guy is has created a brand new system that's changing lives and taking the internet by storm. And I highly recommend you watch the training and you take action, because this is something that you're going to love. And I promise you, you're going to love this journey, and you're going to love what you're going to see in this program and in the members area as well. Okay, it's something that everyone is joining right now, and also people are making money. Okay, it's something that you will make money without having to do any kind of selling. That's right. When you join the program and when you watch the video, you're going to get all the details basically on what you're going to get exactly and how this all works. But it's one of the programs from my mentor, Mr. X. Okay, I'm not going to reveal his name. You're going to already get his name anyway when you watch the video. So Mr. X, he's going to reveal all the behind secrets of $300,000 per month commission, and also how this system is going to change thousands and thousands of people's lives. Okay, so the links are going to be in the description box below this video. Make sure you check it out as soon as possible, because the new year has started, 2024. People are making new plans to make money online. They are looking at hundreds of different opportunities that could help them break through in this year, and I'm giving you an easy solution to break through in this year, where you just have to promote one simple system. And even though you don't have to do any selling, you don't have to do any talking, any chasing, all the selling and talking is done for you. Get all the details in that training video, and you will see exactly how this system works. Links in the description box below this video. Thank you for watching my video. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, just leave a comment for me, and I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Okay, thank you for watching my video.